New Year's resolution, even though it's not New Year's yet, I have to stop cursing. Oh God, and then I curse again.
Oh, yes.
Girl, Mom, look at the bathroom.
And then, why do I have a tag on my jacket? I am so tacky. Guys, so welcome back to my channel. Yes, I look super crazy. I was in the middle of doing my hair. I'm actually on the way to go look at an apartment. I was supposed to look at 2 today, but I'm gonna be looking at 1. Okay, y'all, so I'm running super late. I just have to curl these 2 pieces of my hair. I'm just gonna throw in a jumpsuit. The apartment that I'm going to is in the city. So we're gonna go see that together. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera in, but if I don't bring my camera in, I'll definitely bring my phone in to vlog the apartment. I'm gonna check out 2 different apartments and that building. And yeah, I'll vlog both of them. But yeah, we're in a rush, so I'll see y'all in the ride.
It's not.
This closet is huge.
Closets are awesome for the studios because you really can like put your dresser and your vanity in there.
And I have a bunch of clothes.
Way more room for out here. And then this unit faces the Zen garden, so it's super chill and quiet inside this part of the building.
This is really nice. I like this a lot. Especially because it's just me and my cats.
Yeah, it's a good setup for one person for sure. And then the floor plans are pretty similar. So when you have a smaller unit, you kind of lose a little bit of square footage in the living room, but the bedrooms stay kind of the standard
The same
size.
exact size. Okay. This is really nice. I like this size, and
they're
that's
big.
this is just the model unit though.
Yeah,
So.
so this is the same size balcony you would have on the wood floor plan. But that one's up on the 4th floor.
It's a
And
really
it's a
bit
much
higher.
more scenic view than the bridge.
Yeah.
That's kind of why this was the model.
Yeah.
It's very,
I like the size of the room. It's nice size.
They're all built to fit king beds.
It's a really nice size. Lighting. The closet is a nice size.
The 1-bedrooms you get into like little added closet spaces like the pantry.
Yeah.
I think this one might have a linen closet as well.
Oh, right behind the door. Yeah. Right behind the door.
So definitely like this
Have a lot of.
storage is real here.
Yeah, because I have a lot of clothes. A lot of clothes. Alright, you guys, so I just left the apartment and I really like it. I did vlog it, so obviously I put the footage in before I'm even putting this part in, but I really like the apartment. I think it's so freaking cute. There is a few things that like I didn't like, but all in all, like the location is really good. The price is really good for the 2 that I looked at. Is really good. I was going to show you guys the card of the little digital card of the actual place, but I don't want to say where it's at in case I do move there. I didn't apply for it yet, only because I have another apartment that I want to look at. I have about 2 or 3 more apartments that I want to look at, but I love the apartment. It's a different type of feeling to like know that like I'm doing a lot of things on my own. I don't want to cry because I'm outside, but like to be able to buy my car, like I think I told you guys already in the video, or if I didn't, I probably didn't show the vlog clips yet, but I did vlog myself. I didn't vlog buying my car, but I did vlog telling you guys that I have a new car. So I'm telling you guys right now, and then you'll just see the clips that other clips that I have from a few weeks ago. But yes, I got a new car. It's nice. It's for me. It's in my budget. It's in my price range. I was gonna go lavish and have like this super expensive car. Let me just park real fast. But I didn't do that. And I'm happy I made the decision to get this car instead. Let me park right, because I don't want my car to be hanging out and then somebody hits it. But yeah, so I'm excited. This is Alfred calling me, so yeah. Can you see me? It is so cute. It's like in such a good area. It's downtown. It's so, oh God, it's so cute. I'm just so excited. I got my car. I'm looking at apartments. I got leveling up. Like, Wait, look, say hi to my vlog camera. Can they see you? They can't see you. Say hi. Never mind. Yeah, but yes, I'm about to turn the camera off, y'all, because I'm about to talk to Alfred. So I pretty much cut my camera off. Well, you can't even fucking see me. I pretty much cut my camera off right before, but I got on the phone. I talked to the lady for a little bit. You guys know who he is. If you don't, it's my cousin. But I talked to her for a little bit, and then why do I have a tag on my jacket? I am so tacky. I talked to her for a little bit and talked to her about apartments and things like that. And then I talked to Alfred. Well, you guys saw I talked to Alfred. And I talked to my mom for a little bit. Now I'm at the market. And I just need to get me some dinner for tonight. I don't know what the f I'm gonna eat, but I need to get some dinner. I don't think I'm gonna take you guys in only because I'm trying to get in and get out. So, I'll see you guys when I get out.
I'm cooking on YouTube. I'm telling you.
Alright, y'all. So, it's the next day. I'm with my mom. You can't really see her because the camera's blocking her. But yeah, you can't really see you. Is it still blurry on you? I'm dead. Yeah, we're with my mom, and actually I was just sitting at her house because I was going through a little something, and then I got a call to come look at another apartment, so I'm taking my mom with me, and we're gonna vlog that one too. So see y'all when we get there. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the pool over there. There's Sakina.
Two cuts, toss out with the game. From full steps to a whole nother domain. I'm a living and compromise. Help me drug houses, looking like a
I love this. I like the style of it. Is that what is this right here? Oh, another closet for clothes. A washer and dryer. That's one of the main things I need. Oh, girl, yes.
Yeah.
And how much does this one run for?
This one is.
This is mom.
You like it?
Yes. This is nice. I really like this. I really like it. Second choice. Shower. Closet. Washer and dryer. We didn't even look at the fridge the last one. Yeah. I like this a lot. Oh, what's the stuff out here? Let me get scared again.
You're on the fourth floor.
I'm dead. I would never be out here.
Oh, I actually have a balcony.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Girl, Mom, look at the bathroom.
Ooh, this is nice. Smell like roaches in here or nothing. No, look at the bed.
From full steps to a whole nother domain. I'm a living and compromising. Help me drug houses, looking like a
I gotta stop cursing. That's my freaking New Year's resolution. Even though it's not New Year's yet, I have to stop fucking cursing. Oh God, and then I cursed again. I have to stop cursing. Seriously. That's my resolution, to not curse, which is very hard because I'm an East Coast girl and we love a little swearing. So, you know, I kind of got cut off when I was talking to you guys about the apartment, and I don't know where I got cut off at. So, yeah, my freaking phone is like, my camera is like vibrating. But I'm just very excited. I'm very excited because, let's be honest, like, first of all, my mic is hitting my mirror, my window. I'm just very excited because, like, looking at like from where, I'm very excited because looking at where I was last year to where I am now is crazy. Because given I didn't really grow that much on YouTube this year because I really wasn't posting, but YouTube has brought me a bunch of opportunities. I feel like I want to do, what the fudge? I feel like I want to do a video on how to make money and sustain a living as a smaller creator, because I feel like a lot of people feel like you have to be super big on YouTube to make crazy money. Now, given, like, to make crazy money, you probably do have to be a little bit bigger than me, well, a lot bit bigger than me, but to make an easy income, to be able to live a good life by yourself, like, and sustain like a normal everyday life, it's not as hard as I thought it was. And I, even from June to now, well, not even from June, from like, I want to say from like April, May into now, my life has changed in a good way. I'm able to do way more things for myself. I don't have to depend on anybody else to do more things for myself. And I'm not ashamed to say that, like, my ex did a lot for me. Like, obviously everybody knows that, like, he did a crazy amount of things for me, and he's still in my life and still here and then does things for me, you know what I mean? But to be able to be looking at apartments on my own, oh shit, now my camera's sliding. No. To be able to create a life for myself with my own income is astronomical to me at such a small following. So it just means a lot to me to be able to go look at apartments, because I never did that, because I never, honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I never thought I could afford it. I never thought, like, by myself I'll be able to do it. And to know for a fact that I can go into looking at these apartments and they be in reach for me, because I know my finances are good. I know my savings is good. Thank you to God, most definitely. But to be able to do all these things for myself is just crazy. YouTube has given me the opportunity to work with companies outside of YouTube. So, like, sometimes you guys don't see me posting for like 2-3 weeks. It's because I'm getting stuff done. And then also, like, YouTube brings DMs or whatever. Like, YouTube brings people from YouTube come to my Instagram and leave me mean DMs and everything. And it's like the most weirdest things ever. Like, I'll put an exhibit A of what I got just today from some random guy that didn't even know me. When he messaged me. So that's why I really haven't been posting, just because, like, the negativity is very draining. But I come to the conclusion that I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm not gonna let that stop my hustle. I'm not gonna let that stop me filming videos, because YouTube is something that I did for fun as an outlet. And even though there's gonna be negative people no matter what job field or what any career path that I take, there's gonna be some type of negative person around that, and I just have to roll with the punches. Given I don't let it affect my life, but it becomes annoying, you know? Like, it's annoying that these random people have access to me. It's annoying that random people can give their opinion on me. And that's why I don't post certain stuff anymore. Like, as far as, like, my relationship right now, like, yes, I have a boyfriend. Woo woo. And I've had a boyfriend for a while. I just don't say anything about it. Like, I don't post about it. Like, I honestly live my life, or like live my social media life, through my close friends. And given I'm not even big on social media, so I can only imagine people who have hundreds of thousands of followers. I get, like, hateful messages, and I'm so little. I'm like, there's bigger fish to fry. What the fuck you fucking with me for? See, I'm cursing again. That's that East Coaster in me. But I'm like, why are you messing with me? There's way more, like, not to say, like, go to another creator's page and mess with them, but it's like, damn, like, why you gotta mess with me? I'm not even big. Like, god, it's just so annoying. A bunch of things, like I said, like that I want to do, and that there's some things that I'm doing now that I would have never expected myself to do. So it's just very crazy to me. Like, even the fact that like I bought my own car this year, like I brought it, like, you know, off of money that I made from like YouTube put me in connection, or people, how can I say this, or people found me through YouTube, and that's how I made my money to buy my own car. Like, and I just, knock on wood, I just feel like my savings is only going to grow bigger. My finances are only going to get bigger and bigger, and nothing's going to stop me. Like, I feel like next year is going to be the year of elevation for me. And I do sometimes let views and things like that get to me and stop me from wanting to post, but it's like, I gotta think, like, bro, like, you're not even posting to stay in the algorithm, so why would the algorithm push your videos when you don't even post? So that's why you see like mad videos went up this week, even if they didn't get views. I don't know, obviously, because I didn't post them yet. I'm filming this right now, but even if they didn't get the views that I think I wanted, like, I went and looked for an apartment. I have more apartments that I'm going to look for. I have another apartment that I'm going to go look for. I was supposed to go Monday, but they're closed. They're not closed, but they're booked. So I'm going to go look at another apartment on Saturday, and that'll be in the next vlog. But let me know if you guys want me to start posting like 2-3 times out of the week, because I want to post content videos. If you guys want to know how I made a certain amount of money in such little time without having a big following, I could do a full video on that, on showing you guys how to get your foot in the door on the way home. So yeah, I will talk to you guys a little bit later.